Stop ruining your videos and start making them go viral with this simple trick. Certain Mr. Beast video that got over 100 million views in just 1 week. And today I'm gonna show you exactly how he did it so you can do it too. So make sure to pay attention. In fact, I am gonna show you his video, and then I am gonna show you the exact steps you need to take to get over 100 million views per video guaranteed. Okay, so let's take a look. You already know what time it is. It's video time. So this video has over 100 million views in just 1 week, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. But before we get into that, please smash that subscribe button. It really does help me out, and it helps my channel grow. Thank you guys so much. Now, let's get back to the video. This video right here is getting over 100 million views per week, and there are a few reasons why. One of the biggest reasons is because the title is very catchy. The title is How to Get Over 100 Million Views Per Video. That's exactly what I'm going to be talking about today. So if you want to get over 100 million views per video, then make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. Another reason this video is getting so many views is because of the thumbnail. This thumbnail right here has over 100 million views, and it shows a man sitting at a computer looking at a phone. The reason why this works so well is because it creates curiosity. People want to know who this guy is, and they want to know what he's looking at on his phone. So that's what makes this video go viral. And the last reason why this video is getting so many views is because of the description. The description says get over 100 million views per video guaranteed. That's what makes people click on this video, and that's what makes it go viral. So now I'm going to show you how to do this in your own videos. Step No. 1, make sure you have a catchy title. Your title should be something that people are interested in, and it should make them want to watch your video. For example, if you were making a video about cats, you could use a title like 10 Things Cats Can Do Better Than Humans. Step No. 2. Make sure you have a great thumbnail. Your thumbnail should be eye-catching, and it should make people want to click on your video. If you're making a video about cats, you could use a thumbnail like this, or something similar. Step No. 3. Make sure you have a great description. Your description should be interesting, and it should make people want to watch your video. If you're making a video about cats, you could use a description like this. So now that you know how to make your videos go viral, I want you to go out there and start making some viral videos of your own. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It really does help me out. Thank you guys so much. Now let's go make some money.